Weigh out the self-raising flour. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Add a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Add 50 grams of sugar. Add 1½ tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add 50 grams of chocolate chips. Stir the mixture. Add half a beaten egg to a bowl. Add 125 millilitres of milk. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add 50 millilitres of vegetable oil and stir. This will need to be added to the dry ingredients. Stir until fully combined, and then use 2 spoons then to spoon it into your cupcake case around sort of 2/3 full. Now bake them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, that's a fan oven, and they need to cook for around 20 minutes. When the cupcakes are ready, they'll be springy to the touch.